Jimenez, 3 points.
Down, he's holding his head, but he's still staying.
Hang, strong move. Good rebound.
Kick it back!
RJ Villanueva, 2 points. That's the better of 2 Villanuevas.
Zone down, zone down.
Ajay, nabari yun
Villanueva
suot.
Kaya nga sabi niya kanina, dalawa kami Villanueva mo yan. Go for it. I've never seen Mike Rubin turn down that.
Whoa! Marvin Agustin, 3 points. Marvin Agustin, 4-3. Wow! Good 2 points. That's what we call hesitation movement.
Wait. Easy.
And one. 2 points plus a foul. He'll get a chance for a 3-point play. Violation, one more.
Violation.
Lane violation by one of the white player. Too soon, too early to get it. Hey, it can only be N1 if you make the basket. Two shots for Gian. Off to the right.
Stop.
No,
16.
16 pa rin pala.
60 minutes.
16 pa rin pala.
Oh, okay.
16 pa rin.
Parang yung dati.
Pero dun sa second sub mo, kahit may matitirang player dun sa first five mo. They made a shot.
Oh, nice heading.
Foul number 18.
Second team foul first person.
Too strong.
Mikey, pull up! Mikey!
Oscar Jimenez.
Foul on Jimenez, number 1. 2 free throws. Now is the time to do substitutions. After the first shot, we can do sub. Bro, you can sub, ha?
Kailangan natin ng rebound sa hindi tayo maka-rebound sa
Alright. Sub! Sub! Bring your subs.
Sub! Sub!
Sub!
Lima pala kayo eh.
Tell them after the...
Pero may matindi.
After the free throw, you can sub him after the free throw. The rest can go in. The rest can go in except for the free throw shooter.
Go!
Wala na, nabigay na. Hindi ka na pwede mag-go.
Sub. Alright, there you go. Good job, guys.
The only made one, right? Yeah, that's the guy who made the basket, right?
Travel.
Tired, bro. I'm so tired, man.
Number 86, foul number 86. Wow, beautiful pass. Whoa!
What happened? Miss?
That was a beautiful pass.
Oh, let's go!
Wow, difficult shot. Still managed to make it, nevertheless. Whoa, nice shot. Foul number 45. Foul number 45. Foul number 86.
Second team, second person, right?
2 shots.
Yes,
Second person.
Second personal on Brian Garcia.
The warning for penalty.
Shoot the 5, right?
Baka lang ah. No, 6. 6 na. 6 na.
6?
First one is good. Second one is good.
Traidor! Traidor! Whoa! Leaning two.
Defense, guys.
Leaning two.
Fergie, ilalim mo.
12-18.
Personal foul.
That's 2 team fouls.
On number 24. Foul 24. Foul on number 24, White. Second personal foul.
Run to the basket. Kung masyado na taas, mas
I'm charging my phone.
White ball.
Come on, guys.
3 points.
Come back.
It's been a 9-0 run by the White team. 9-0 run. And counting.
There you go.
Make that 11-0 run by the White team. Foul on number 0-0.
Two shots.
Two shots.
Yeah.
They won the championship.
He was in the car. Oh, I didn't see it. Too far. Oh, ball
Ball don't lie.
don't lie.
Sub.
Sub, 8 minutes mandatory sub. If you want to.
Wait, Marlon, is this yours? You say pause, bro.
You can sub, 8 minutes substitution. No sub? Okay, let's go. If you don't want to sub, it's fine. Brick, ball don't lie. Oh no!
Rep substitution.
21.
White ball.
James, sabihan mo.
Referee call. White ball. Don't look at us. We're committee. Injury. Get him out. White ball, white ball. Sub. Take him out, sub.
You guys need one.
It's open sub. Anyone can play. Let's go. Thirteen 0 run and counting.
What's up, Kuya? Right. Go.
Hawak muna, walang tao. Hawak.
Nice.
15-0 run and counting.
James.
Yep.
21-18. Dead ball lang sab, ha? Dead ball lang sab.
Wow. What? 18-0 run. You know, you can use a timeout if you want to. Foul. Sub. Foul on number.
James.
What's that number? 3-5? 18
Yeah.
yata,
18.
18.
Okay.
Watch your back. Balik. Swing the bola. There you go. Yeah!
3 points. Finally. Timeout, Pink. Timeout, Pink. With 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on the first half, we have 27 for white team and 18 for the pink team. And currently they are on a 21-0 run. Let me repeat that, 21-0 run. 21-0 run.
4 lang kayo kanina eh.
It was 6-8.
4 points. 23 na. 23.
Since they took out Villanueva from the court, white team made a 21-0 run.
And now they're coming back.
The bank is still open on Saturday. Saturday, 5 p.m. The bank is still open.
Ikot, Ferdy.
Legit! Bang bang!
Whoa! 3 points!
Silang! Tira! Tira! Shot!
Babala!
That should never happen.
Dalawa kayo dyan! Dalawa kayo dyan! Dalawa sa kabila! Dalawa! Ludo! Open! Bang bang! Okay.
Foul number 6. They're on penalty anyway, but that I think that's act of shooting.
Sasab ba kayo sasab?
Ito lang, isa lang.
Second shot. Second shot.
Substitution.
Baba! Huwag masyadong aangat. Huwag masyadong aangat, pero ilalim.
Foul on number 24. That's his third personal foul. We have 40 seconds left. Sub, go in. You can go.
No, it's other team.
Go on.
Good zone lang tayo, zone.
20 seconds.
Marvin Agustin, 3 points.
There you go. Wala. No foul.
After 24 minutes of play, White is leading by 10 points. There were barrages of 3-point shots. They went on a 26-3 run. 26-3 run.
I can play the box.
bringing the ball in. Oh no, because when Red won it, there was no ball on 3 white ball.
Marvin, you got a lot of threes, huh? Marvin, you got a lot of threes. Ang daming shoot ni Marvin sa tres.
After the game, bricklayers stay. Tito Marlon has pasalubong from the Philippines.
Ilalim. Baba, defense guys, defense.
That's just smooth move by Navarro, aka Villanueva.
Okay. Huwag masyado.
Airball. Kamikaze drive by Villanueva.
Defense.
Kamikaze drive.
Come on guys, zone. There you go, push it! Push!
Walk in the park. Walk in the park.
Come on. Zone ulit, zone! Kulang na isa sa ilalim. Come on, let's push it! Sa kabila natin.
Six.
both. You need both.
Mike. Come on, Tito Jason, let's go. Nice.
It's a fight. It's a rebound fight.
Time out.
Timeout, right. Guys, reminder for this championship game, you have 2 timeouts on the second half. Which white just use their first.
Can I switch?
Switch what?
Players.
No, in 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes. So I can do sub.
Unless injured. Plays injured.
After they use the basket.
Naku, ang pinagpantay kay Gian yun. Two shots for Gian. Rebounder.
Hey guys, what about that one?
Break.
Watching you. Don't get teched up, Mikey.
Another break.
G, free throw, dalawa. Yung isa, ang daming pass break na pag-abang talaga. Nag-aabang talaga.
Yung talaga laro niya. Laro na number 7.
Yan, laro niya yun.
Laro niya talaga yun. Kahit saan ko. Liga, tournament.
Nagki-cherry picking yun. Baba!
He got it!
No. Hindi niya kinuha. Yun! Okay lang yun.
Wait for the first free throw. We'll do some for after the first free throw.
Wala yan.
Go. Shot. He made it. Yeah, he made it.
Hoy! Violation!
Boy, lapit ko bola boy.
Lapitan mo. Wala naman shot clock yun. Patay.
Baba na!
Oh, pass break! Oh, line violation. Line violation. Ito. Gira. Yan!
Let's go, defense!
Yeah, let's go.
Watch it!
Cross it first. There you go. Foul.
Number 19 foul. Don't touch on the points.
No, 8 na oh. Ay, hindi, 4 pa lang. Oh, it's okay. KG yan. Ah. Pasa mo daw din. Foul. Buti na lang na foul.
Labas mo muna!
Patay. Baba! Eh, baba!
I love that pass. Good pass, better finish. It was a good pass.
11 lamang natin, 11. 3 minutes. Wala pa, isa pa.
Kuha, James tulong!
Cut! Patay.
Baba na!
Yun.
What track?
Kunin mo, title mo. Substitution!
Sub. Ay, okay na. Pumasok. Foul. Oh, trouble. And one pa. It's okay.
You guys continue playing. Don't tell us what to do. We know what to do. We made the rules. So concentrate on playing. Don't tell us what to do.
Kaya mo mag-shot clock. Foul. O, penalty na, penalty na. Penalty na. 1-on-1. 1-on-1.
G! Baba na lahat. Sean, baba. Good guard, baba na.
Yeah.
Baba na.
Depensa na agad. Alright.
Come on, defense. One good D. We got this. Hold the ball.
They're gonna foul you.
Sub.
Wala na, no. We're up by 11.
G.
Hey, take your time. It's running time. It's running time.
All right, they concede. You can call the game, ref.
All right.
YouTube. Congrats.